Another big story we're following today. Maryland's third mass vaccination site opened today at M&T Bank Stadium.
The site will eventually vaccinate thousands each day, but for now they had a soft launch. WJZ investigator Mike Helgen is there live right now with a closer look. Mike?
Vic, Denise, they're hoping by late next week to get up to 2,000 shots a day. They're hoping this is a well-oiled machine by then. Eventually, they will start operating from 9 to 5 almost every day.
You're not even going to flinch. He's going to do such a good job. You won't even feel that deal.
The governor toured M&T Bank Stadium's club level, where eventually 2,000 vaccines will be administered daily. For now, appointments are limited to 250 people.
All these professionals getting together and just doing really well by the public and stuff. This is how it should be run.
Today they're just working out, making sure it runs smoothly, like a soft launch of a restaurant maybe.
There are 74 vaccination stations. The setup took several weeks.
We're ready to go. We're going to play a large part in helping the community get back on their feet.
Hey guys.
This is the third mass vaccination site in the state and the second in Baltimore City.
As of last week, Baltimore City had gotten far more than they really were entitled to. Beautiful place there. It's going to go very smoothly.
Even though vaccine supply is still limited, the advantage of opening the site now is it will be ready once more doses come in. And they are likely to surge if the Baltimore-made Johnson & Johnson vaccine gets federal approval this week.
We're going to get guidance over the weekend, and we should start seeing those doses arrive in our state next week, which is tremendously exciting. It's going to add to the arsenal.
Starting next month, the state will launch a single website to make appointments for all mass vaccination sites. Several more are expected to open across Maryland.
Congratulations.
Many of those lucky enough to get the shot say day one here went smoothly.
Obviously a little VIP visit here, but even with that distraction, everything was great.
Now, the Johnson & Johnson vaccine is just a single dose, so things will go much faster. Right now, only about 7% of Marylanders have been fully vaccinated. 13% have gotten at least one dose of Pfizer or Moderna. Live at M&T Bank Stadium, Mike Helgen, WJZ.
All right, thank you, Mike. Now, Moderna is working on finding a way to fight the South African strain of the coronavirus. The company says it has shipped doses of a tweaked formula of its vaccine to the National Institutes of Health. The latest vaccine candidate would be tested on humans to see if it could be used as a booster shot against the South African mutation of the virus. Well, meanwhile, the CDC says the second doses of the COVID-19 vaccine are going out faster than the first ones. New data shows of the 10 million doses administered last week, just over half were second doses. Date, about 14% of the population has received at least one dose of the vaccine, more than 6% fully vaccinated.